Did you know that where you keep your savings could be costing you thousands? It's true. The national average APY on a typical savings account is often so low it barely beats inflation, meaning your hard-earned cash is essentially just sitting there. But what if there was an account that was consistently giving you an edge? Today, we're diving into the EverBank Performance Savings account to uncover why it's become so popular and why so many people are moving their money there. It all boils down to three main factors: competitive rates, minimal fees, and total flexibility. First, let's talk about that competitive APY. EverBank offers one of the top annual percentage yields in the market, particularly for new accounts. This rate can be dramatically higher than what you'd find at many of the big, traditional banks. Think of it this way: if your money is earning, say, 8 or 10 times the national average, it's compounding faster and giving you real returns, not just pennies. This alone is the biggest draw for savvy savers. Second, the fee-free structure is a massive relief. Nobody wants their interest earnings chipped away by hidden costs. The EverBank Performance Savings account has no monthly maintenance fee and no minimum balance requirement to open the account or to earn the top APY. That means whether you're starting with a small deposit or transferring a large sum, you get the same great rate without penalty. This removes a huge barrier for new savers and makes managing your money stress-free. Finally, there's the flexibility and ease of access. This is an FDIC-insured account, giving you peace of mind, and it's designed for the digital world. You can open and manage the account exclusively online or by phone. Funds are easily accessible with features like mobile check deposit and simple transfers. This combination of a high-yield rate, no burdensome fees, and convenient digital banking is what makes the EverBank Performance Savings account a standout choice for anyone serious about making their savings work harder. It's not just an account, it's a tool designed for better performance, helping your money grow significantly faster than the competition. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.